Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal, the channel where we simplify recipes. I'm your host Nitin and I'm back here again with one fantastic recipe for you. So it's a chicken recipe and it's a starter and an easy recipe, but before I tell you what recipe it is, make sure you press that thumb icon to like our recipes, press the red button to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so you get an instant notification whenever we upload the videos. Now this recipe is a mixture of classic Maharashtrian thecha or a chutney and chicken. So we're going to combine these two to create a fantastic starter which you can enjoy. It's going to be spicy and tasty. So let's start. So first step for the thecha chicken is to marinate the chicken. I have taken 250 grams of boneless chicken. We will marinate it with some spices. So we are using half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Then we will add a tablespoon of garam masala. You can get the link in the description for this homemade garam masala. Some salt for taste. And a juice of half a lemon. Now give this a good mix and keep it aside for around 10 to 15 minutes while we make the thecha. So thecha is a spicy chutney made out of fresh garlic, chilies, oil and salt. So let us add some garlic to our blender and around 8 to 10 chilies. Now let us add little bit of salt to it, oil and blend it into a coarse paste. So our spicy thecha is ready and we will use around 2 to 3 tablespoons in our recipe. If it is little extra, you can always use it as a chutney and have it along with your meal. It gives a great taste. Let's start cooking. So we have taken around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. The pan is hot, oil is hot. Let us add the chicken pieces and fry them lightly. So we are frying our chicken first and then we will add all the thecha and the other ingredients. So our chicken is fried nicely. It's time to add one slice onion. So it's a medium onion. We have sliced it thinly and the onion balances the spiciness of chili. So here onion you just have to soften it along with the chicken and it gives a nice texture and a taste. So let's give it a quick toss. It's time to add our thecha to the chicken and onion mixture. So add the 2 to 3 tablespoons of spicy thecha and give it a good mix. It should coat all the chicken pieces and at the same time it should cook also for around 3 to 4 minutes along with the chicken. So the thecha chicken looks delicious. It's time to give it a taste and if needed adjust salt a little bit. Add nicely fresh chopped coriander which enhances the flavor and we are ready to serve our delicious spicy chicken thecha. So delicious chicken thecha is ready and I can't wait to taste it. So let me taste and show you. Wow. Spicy, tasty and it got that punch of garlic. Very rustic taste but delicious. You must try this recipe. I'm sure you must have liked that delicious thecha chicken recipe. Make sure you press that thumb icon to like the recipe. Press the subscribe button if you are new to the channel to grow this foodie community. Press the bell icon so whenever we put out delicious recipes like this, you get an instant notification. We are there on FB platform as well, so you can follow us there. Until we meet again, stay happy, stay healthy, and enjoy cooking.